Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I speak English, ma'am, and I understand English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
100%, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure that you don't have any relatives here?
Yes, ma'am, I'm sure.
Okay, so after we found out later, once you come to work here in Malaysia, you just suddenly tell us that you have sisters or brothers here. No, ah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm definitely healthy, ma'am.
Okay, if you feel unwell or if you feel something or if you feel that you have something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines, okay? So that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Roxel Baring. I'm 28 years old. I live in Purok Upper, Barangay Laligta, Consolacion, Cebu, Philippines. My birthday is on December 14, 1996. My religion is Roman Catholic. I'm single. I have one child. She's 11 years old. My height is 5'3" centimeter. My weight is 60 kilos.
65 or 60?
60, ma'am.
Are you sure?
That's
Because in
all.
your profile, it was stated that it's 65. 60 or 65?
65.
65.
Yes, ma'am.
So why you say that you are 60 kg?
I'm just nervous, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Okay. So don't just get nervous because this is initial interview. Yeah? How much more the employer later will going to interview you. Okay? But most especially, please answer it with honesty at the same time. We don't want that our candidates here is lying about their details. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a single mother or do you have single with living partner?
I'm single mother, ma'am.
Single mother. So you mentioned that you got one kid which is 11 years old. So who will going to take care of this kid later?
Her grandparents, ma'am. The
How
father's
old
side.
how old is the grandparents and
Uh, 50 plus, ma'am.
50 plus? Okay. So your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia.
Yes, ma'am.
So no problem later, ah. You don't have any boyfriend right now?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you come here to work and not to find some boyfriends also at the same time, yeah? You are here to work and not to meet up with your friends also at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay,
understand.
so according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2023 to 2020, sorry, in Qatar 2021 to 2023 for 2 years, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
You finished your contract there?
Yes, ma'am. Finish contract.
What is your job responsibilities, your previous employment in Qatar?
I served 10 members of the family, ma'am. Two parents, seven young adults, and one kid.
Okay, so you take care of children.
Yes, ma'am.
How old are those children that you take care?
The kid is 6 years old.
6 years old. So you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
I do all around, ma'am, except cooking.
Except for? Sorry?
Cooking.
Cooking.
Yes.
So you didn't cook there, is it?
Only cleaning, ma'am, all around.
So are you the only helper inside the house or you have one or there is another one helper inside the house?
We are two in the house, ma'am, except another cooking. We
Okay.
are three.
So what happened? Why you didn't work? Why you didn't continue working with this employer in Qatar?
Sorry, ma'am.
What happened? Why you didn't? Of course, you finished your contract to your previous employer in Qatar, right? So what happened? Why you didn't? Why you discontinue working with your employer in Qatar?
Because I want to experience another country, ma'am.
Okay, after 2023 to 2025, you work in Saudi and you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure you finish your contract? I will ask my colleague to check your account in DMW. So you finish your contract.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, ah?
Yes, po.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is your job responsibilities there?
I serve five members of the family, one parent, and all children.
Okay. How old are those children you take care?
16, 14, and 6 and 2 years old.
You also do all around, is it?
All around, ma'am.
Are you the only helper inside the house?
Yes, ma'am. I am the only one.
Okay. So what happened? Why you discontinue or of course you finish your contract? Why you go back home and suddenly wanted to come and work here abroad or I mean in here in Malaysia? Why you didn't continue working to your previous employer in Saudi?
I just finished my contract, ma'am. Then I want to try another country.
Okay, so being an OFW is not new for you, but of course, being an OFW is a very tough job. It is not an easy job, but I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Houses here is quite big, no joke, and employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. So don't compare Middle East and Malaysia because they are different one, okay? Employers also got different rules and regulations, and employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. You might experience some things that you didn't experience in Middle East. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Can you cook?
I cook, but only Philippine food, ma'am.
But are
But
you
I'm
willing to
willing.
learn? Okay, sorry. Come again.
But I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
Willing to learn. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Sorry, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you can easily go back home. Terminating or breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency, as nobody force you to come into work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
If you agree, then fine, work properly, don't give us problem. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because being an OFW is not new for you. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because he will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness?
I will focus my work, ma'am. Then after my work, I communicate my family.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
ma'am.
much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank